Top wood choices for quality furniture. Wood furniture's timeless beauty and enduring strength have captivated humanity for centuries, serving as the cornerstone of our most cherished spaces. Each piece's grain, texture, and rich patina tell a unique story. Understanding the artistry and materiality behind our wooden furnishings can deepen our appreciation and make the selection process an informed pleasure. This video takes you through the forest of knowledge, from the diversity of timber species and their intrinsic qualities to the finesse required in finishing techniques. It illuminates the significant role of sustainable sourcing in safeguarding our planet and celebrates the meticulous craftsmanship that elevates simple lumber into heirloom treasures. Moreover, it bestows the keys to maintaining the luster and longevity of your wooden wonders. Prepare to embrace the world of wood furniture with newfound insight and care. Types of wood for furniture. When creating beautiful and lasting furniture, selecting the correct type of wood is crucial. Over the years, a few standout woods have become the go-to for high-quality furniture crafting. So, if you're keen on woodworking or want to know what makes your furniture so sturdy and attractive, here's the scoop on the top woods used in fine furniture making. Oak wood. First up is oak. This hardwood is a star in the furniture world for good reason. There are two main types: red oak, which has a slightly pinkish hue and is super abundant in North America, and white oak, which is a bit harder and has a golden color. Both are known for their strength and durability, making them ideal for pieces that need to stand the test of time, like dining tables and bookshelves. Walnut wood, then we have walnut. Walnut is the way to go if you're after a luxurious look. This elegant wood has a rich, chocolatey color and a fine grain that woodworkers love. It's pricier, but walnut creates stunning pieces worth every penny. Talk about a striking centerpiece in any room. Cherry wood. Cherry wood, with its warm red tones, is often chosen for its ability to age beautifully. Over time, cherry deepens in color, taking on an even richer patina. This wood is easy to work with and finds a happy home in traditional and contemporary styles, from dressers to nightstands. Hard maple. Hard maple deserves a shout-out too. It's tough and durable, hello bowling alleys, and sports a lighter color with a subtle grain pattern. This one's a winner for furniture that requires heavy use, like kitchen chopping blocks and workbenches. Mahogany wood. To add to the list, mahogany is often associated with fine classic furniture. This wood boasts a reddish-brown color that darkens over time and has an attractive straight grain. It's also less prone to warping than other woods, making it a solid choice for large pieces like wardrobes and cabinets. Teak wood. Last but not least, let's not forget about teak. It's a bit of a hero for outdoor furniture due to its natural oils that resist water and decay. Teak furniture can survive the elements without much maintenance, and its golden brown allure makes backyard spaces look snazzy. Remember, these are just a handful of the premium woods favored in furniture crafting. Each has its unique characteristics and best uses. Whether starting in woodworking or just curious about what makes certain furniture pieces stand apart, understanding these woods can help anyone recognize quality and craftsmanship at a glance. Wood finishing techniques. Introducing a fitting finish to wooden furniture is akin to casting a protective spell, guarding against the damaging effects of moisture, sunlight, and daily wear and tear. Consider the versatile beeswax finish. This time-honored finish sinks into the wood, filling in pores and granting a natural soft satin sheen that glorifies the wood's inherent beauty. Beeswax is especially adored for its ease of application and the honey-scented luster to woods like cherry and mahogany, accentuating their warm tones. Switching gears, let's chat about durable varnish. A suitable varnish is unmatched when combating the effects of UV rays and the rigors of outdoor use, especially for woods like teak. It forms a hard shell on the wood surface, safeguarding it against the elements. This makes varnished outdoor furniture robust and long-lasting without needing frequent touch-ups. Then there's the ever-popular polyurethane. A champion of flexibility, polyurethane is the modern go-to for many woodworkers. It's available in various sheens, from matte to high gloss, and can be water or oil-based. Its resilience makes it perfect for high-traffic hard maple and oak pieces, where durability is as vital as visual appeal. Let's not forget the traditional oil finishes, like linseed or tung oil. These penetrate deeply, enriching woods like walnuts with a depth that makes them pop visually while adding a layer of moisture resistance. Oils deepen the color of the wood and are often the preferred choice for woodworkers aiming for a hand-rubbed look that highlights the fine grain. Sustainable wood sourcing. When delving into woodworking and furniture making, understanding the significance of sustainable wood sourcing is as essential as knowing your sandpaper grits. Sustainable sourcing isn't just a buzzword. It preserves our planet's forests while ensuring that future generations can enjoy the beautiful woods we use today. Certifications play a significant role here. Organizations like the Forest Stewardship Council, FSC, set standards ensuring forests are responsibly managed. When you see that FSC label on the wood, it's a green thumbs up, signaling that this product supports forest management that keeps the woodlands healthy and happy. If you're looking for any wood products to manufacture in Asia, Mondoro would love to help you. Message us at sales@mondoro.com. Thank you for watching.